Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Christmas Day, December 25th. What a gorgeous day. I'm in short sleeve shirts, so I absolutely love Central Texas in the winter. I don't know what temperature it is, 77 degrees on Christmas Day. I got sweatpants on, but it's always cooler in the house. My wife even had to turn the air conditioning on because it's too humid, and she's actually doing some packing in there. But we moved, my wife and I packed up and moved to Texas in 1985. I came down here after college and look for a job, and I found one on the very last day I was here. I was pretty confident, so I drove all the way back to Illinois. We're both from the Midwest, kind of like an hour from Chicago, southwest of Chicago, and it was always so cold. Winters up there just last so long. It could be negative degrees, negative 15 degrees, and it was just cold. So I got a job down here. We packed up. I was 25, my wife was probably 23, 24, and we packed up, moved down here, and I think the very first time I knew that I was never leaving, it was probably Christmas time, and I was over in Round Rock. I worked at a company called Tel Labs, which is since gone, but we were all outside hanging out. And it was just like this, 77 degrees on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve or whatever. And I'm standing out there with a bunch of my buddies from work, and I thought to myself, I am never, ever leaving here. And we never did. 37 years later, I'm still here. And I'm still in the same area, but not for long. We're going to move up north. But, my kids are born and raised here. My wife we were married maybe 8 years before we had children, and so my first one was born when I was 30, and now he's 33. So I got one 33 and 30, two boys, and they're native Texans now, but we weren't. But we got here as soon as we could. But I mean, how could you hate this weather? I mean, well, 79 now that I stopped, but I mean, winters are our best riding season. Absolutely. Even if I had a cold front come in, it dropped down in the 50s. I can dress for the cold, no problem. But our summers can be horrible. We've had several trips on the Goldwing. And that's why my wife doesn't ever want to go again. There are several trips that we hit 109 degrees, and not fun riding when it's 109 degrees. So that's why our winters are so great. I'm not rubbing it in anything. This just is what it is. So I just love I should have wore shorts because it's actually warm when I stop. But Texas weather is just beautiful. We're going to go up to the new house. My son went through there on the 23rd before they came here, because we're only 10 miles from him once we move. But he went through there with a video. We got floors. We got granite countertops. They're even doing all of the tiling in the showers. So we're getting close, and I told my wife hopefully we can move by the end of January, but I don't know if they want to rush it because they want their money. They're covering all the construction costs, so they do want their money, which they better hurry. Anyway, bye. I'm stuck at this light again. It's 5 minutes long. Bye.